Welcome to this week's Cooking at Riegelmann's. Today we're in the Bosch kitchen. I've got 4th generation Riegelmanns. I've got Parker, yeah, Parker, and I've got Leah. And today we are going to make some crescent pizzas. Here's how we start, guys. You got your crescent roll. We just got any kind of crescent roll that's dough. We've put our triangles out, and now we're gonna put our pepperoni on. So let's put our pepperoni on, cover all the dough. And once we get all of our pepperoni on, we're gonna take our cheese sticks, and this is just a standard mozzarella cheese stick. We've cut them in half, and we're gonna lay them at the bottom half of our crescent roll. You got it, just like that. And then, it's sticky, so it should stick a little bit. We're gonna roll it up just like this into a crescent roll. Okay, and then we're gonna stick them on the cookie sheet. You wanna stick yours on there? Good. Okay, once we have them on the cookie sheet, we're gonna give them a little brush of olive oil. Good. And then after we've got the brushed olive oil, we're gonna take a little bit of oregano, just a tiny bit, and just sprinkle it on top like that. And then some more. This is Parmesan cheese, pre-grated. We're also gonna put a little bit of that on top. Oops, sorry, Parker. Those look so good. Okay, now we're gonna stick them in a Bosch oven and cook them for 10 minutes at 350 degrees, and then we're gonna dip them in some marinara sauce and tell you what we think. Our pizza rolls are done. Oh my gosh. Parker, Leah, you did amazing. Are you ready to try them?
Yes, they look very good.
They look so good. Okay, they're hot. Okay. So blow on it, and then,
oh yes, very hot.
If you want to dip it in pizza sauce, you can.
This pizza sauce. Oh, it's hot.
It's hot.
That's really good.
Is it really good? Another success. Well, you can find this recipe and many others at cookingatriegelmanns.com. Take it from 4th generation Riegelmanns. These are the best. Thanks so much. We're in the Bosch kitchen at Riegelmann's in downtown Gresham, and we'll see you next time.
Cooking at Riegelmann's is brought to you by Riegelmann's Appliance in downtown Gresham.